Alright guys, so I was sitting in bed the other night just watching a motorcycle video on YouTube, which is what I used to do almost 2 years ago, and was like, you know, I'm starting to get everything back on track with things, and I think it's time to start making motorcycle videos again. Let's do it.
What the fuck? I don't know if that was a butterfly, leaf, bird. I don't know what the hell that thing was. Hope the GoPro caught that. Well, that's a great way to start back up. I don't know what the hell that was. I got smacked in the face by something. I'm back, guys. It's a little later than when I initially wanted to start this video at, my riding video, but as you see, I'm back on a bike, cruising, filming. It's a little different than the bike I was filming on the previous videos. If you go back and look, I was on a 2018 Harley-Davidson Streetglide Special. I had 14-inch apes on it, Vance and Hine dresser duals with the tab performance, zombie baffles, stage 1, just a Screaming Eagle, air filter, you know, tune, all that. It's been almost 2 years now since I've made a video. It's been like 18 months or something like that, a year and a half, a little over a year and a half since I've made a video, and I finally got a new bike. This is a 2013, well, it's new to me, but it's a 2013 Harley-Davidson Streetglide. I love the Streetglides. I had to go with another Streetglide. I would have liked to have gotten a Road King, or not a Road King, I'm sorry, a Road Glide. But I don't know, I love the Streetglides. And this 2013, it's a 103. It's got a Vance and Hine true duals on it. Get up here and do a walk around, check it out. It's black like the other one. The other one was a Streetglide Special, so it was black on black. Everything was black. The bars are black, engine, everything blacked out, pipes blacked out, crash bars blacked out. It was nice, and I love black, so couldn't go wrong with that. And then this one is black and chrome, still black, so yeah, we're good. I love black. Get out here and ride. Love it. Not changing much on this thing because I already like the sound. I like these Vance & I True Duals on there. They sound good. They look good. I mean, not even gonna change them. I thought, whoa. Me and the other bike about hit a head-on collision. There we go. We'll pull off right here. Check the bike out. Here she is. It's a 2013 Harley Davidson Streetglide, the 103. Still standard bulbs, nothing LED. That's all gonna change. Like I said, the bars are gonna change. It's got the Vance & I True Dual black. Looks good. It's a little dirty right now, but it looks good. I'm not in Ohio, by the way. I just bought this bike in Ohio. Powder Keg Harley Davidson in Ohio. Looks good. Enough of that. Let's hop back on it and take her for a spin. Up here, this road turns into a gravel road. Gets kind of sketchy. Yeah, first time I came up on it, cruising through here, I was like, whoa, what's this? You know, hoping that it came out to a main road, which there was a sign. We passed back there a little bit. They said it goes to a main road, so I was like, all right, I'm gonna trust it. And it does, it comes out on the main road, so. We're gonna take it off-road a little bit. I count a gravel road off-road on a Streetglide. Yeah, right up here is the gravel road. Oh, there it is. We're on it now. Look at that flying saucer. Just kidding. Dang, I don't know what that was though, for real. Big old dip in the road right there. Go around that, go around these. A couple big potholes there. I don't know if the camera picked it up. Yeah, this is like the first time I came down through here and hit this. I was going a little faster than I would have liked to have been on a Streetglide, street bike. I was kind of like, whoa, watch out now. It's great to be back out on a bike though, filming videos. I always enjoyed it. And then when I got to where I wasn't really able to do it no more, and then definitely wasn't able to do it once I got rid of my bike. Oh man, it was a sad day. Sad, sad day. Alright. Oh, anything coming? Let's go. Rip through these curves and and head back to the house. It's getting late. Like I said, I started this video a little later than I wanted to, but I mean, it is what it is. I'm out here riding, filming a video. Can't complain too much. But we're gonna head back to the house, have ice cold beer, chill with the fam, maybe have a fire or something. Like I said, it is mid-September here in southern Indiana, so it's starting to cool down. Fall's coming, so I'm gonna have a fire and drink a beer. So until next time, man, I'll see y'all. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, whatever. I'm still gonna do it. It's fun. Oh, gravel. That was sketchy. Big old chunk of gravel right there. Alright guys, I'm out here for real this time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Later.